Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and assembling core documents so you can apply without delay. Once done, request official transcripts from every institution and format a clear CV that highlights research and relevant coursework. Make sure to select an appropriate writing sample that demonstrates historiography and argumentation. Contact 2-3 recommenders early and provide them instructions and deadlines. Finally, create the program application account, save deadlines and fees, and prepare to draft your personal statement immediately. You now focus on the personal statement and tailoring materials to programs. Start with a concise opening that states your research question and why it matters. Then trace your preparation, methods, coursework, languages, archives. Once done, explicitly tie your interest to 1-2 faculty members or unique program resources so admissions see fit. Make sure to explain methodology and potential dissertation directions. Revise for structure and voice, and run a targeted edit pass to remove jargon and strengthen evidence of preparation. You finish by carefully submitting and then tracking each application to completion. After upload and fee payment, confirm each school received transcripts and recommenders letters and save confirmation emails. Once done, prepare a 2-3 minute research pitch for interviews and rehearse answers about methods and fit. If accepted, respond by stated deadlines and review funding offers. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: immediately contact admissions to clear missing items and request an extension rather than assuming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.